Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the performance of few filters like moving average filter and the first order filter and the 3-point central difference filter, and we'll solve few problems based on these filters. Now we are going to know about the moving average filter. The average filter is a low pass filter which is commonly used for regulating an array of samples, signal or data. It takes m samples of input at a time and takes the average of those to produce a single output point. In equation, this is written as follows. We can see it is there in the slide. And due to computation and calculations involved, the filter introduces a different amount of delay and implementation of moving average filter. There will be a delay between samples we take, and once we get the m points, we will average them and assign to the first sample n value. We average them. It takes m samples of input at a time and takes the average of those to produce a single output point. This is the code for moving average filter. It is the low pass filter. This is the mathematical expression for this low pass moving average filter, and this one is the graphical representation of the output signal. Uh, this blue color indicates the input signal, and this red color indicates the output signal. Here we can see that the high frequency points are removed, as this is a low pass filter. This red one is the moving average filter output. Now the first order difference filter, it is nothing but the difference of present value and the past value, past present input and the past input. Uh, it preserves the edges and uses it to detect edges. It is a high pass filter, and the Z transformer of this filter is as follows: H of Z is equals to Z minus 1 by Z. And this is the mathematical representation of this signal, and this is the following graph. This is the input PPG signal which is given to us, and this is the output of the first order filter. We can see the low pass frequencies are removed from this filter as it is a high pass filter. Coming to the other one, it is the 3-point central difference filter. uh, it is nothing but it is represented as y of n is equals to x of n minus x of n minus 2, and its z transform is as follows: h of z is equals to z square minus 1 divided by z square, and this is the mathematical equation or the code which will run in Arduino board. uh, this is the red color indicates the input signal we are given, and the blue color one is the output of the 3-point central difference one, and this is also a high pass filter. Now the baseline drift component extraction. The given PPG signal, the given PPG signal has the pure PPG signal, baseline drift, and the high frequency noise. So to extract baseline drift, we have to remove the high frequency noise. To do this, we will pass this given PPG signal through low pass filter, which is the moving average filter, and then we will have x1, that is only PPG signal and the baseline drift. Now this signal will be used. Now we will use moving average filter with m is equals to 400 to get the baseline drift. Now we will subtract this x1 with the baseline drift as to get the PPG signal, pure PPG signal. This is the code for the pure PPG signal. We will run in this code. We will run in the Arduino board, and we'll get the graph as follows. Uh, this is the input signal, and this is the output of the moving average filter. This is the baseline drift. If we do the difference between these two filters, we will get this pure PPG signal. This is the required PPG signal, and the next question is to find the output of the signal processing system which performs derivative filter, that is the first order derivative, and then performs moving average filter with n is equals to 8. Here we have given this input filter, input signal. Now this is the first order difference filter, that is the high pass filter. Here we can see the low pass frequencies are eliminated, and this signal is passed to the moving average filter as to get this required signal, this required output. This is the output of the moving average filter with first order difference as input with n is equals to 8. Thank you.